Holy investing Batman! Investors are selling this stock like crazy today. Is Blackstone the new FTX, the new Robinhood? Don't even get me started on that SBF interview yesterday. Blackstone is not allowing investors to withdraw from its real estate investment fund. Redemption requests have already exceeded 5%, and ticker symbol BX is down 6% because of this. Is this like the canary in the coal mine and it's just getting started for redemptions, or is there something else behind this? Now, don't get scared because Blackstone and Vanguard literally own the entire world. So if they collapse, we have a lot more than investing to be concerned about. And what actually is the cause of all of this is because they have outperformed their peers in 2022. They have gone up 9% this year alone, and public REITs or real estate investment trusts have gone down 20% this year on average. What's even more important is that this real estate fund is actually non-public, meaning that it is a private real estate investment trust called BREIT, B-R-E-I-T, that has separate clauses. So it's not traded on the New York Stock Exchange. Redemptions are capped at 5% per quarter. So due to this outperformance, they had many redemption requests, and this is the first time that they capped the request. They also have a lot of dry powder, a lot of cash, and liquidity is not an issue. Blackstone is also selling $1.27 billion, which they will receive cash for a stake in a casino to Vici, ticker symbol VICI. This means they're going to have even more dry powder. So I believe that investors thought, okay, they have all of this cash, plus I got a 9% return investment on 2022, which was a very bad year for the market. I'm just going to take my money out. So it makes sense why so many people want to profit off of this stellar year. I do believe because of this clickbait title, more investors are going to be a little bit more skittish about this real estate fund. So I do see more outflows in the coming months. I also don't see many new customers coming into BREIT because of this. Overall, I think investors are just panicking. I think we're in a very fearful time in the market. Any clickbait titles will set investors off. Do I think this is the start of a huge cycle of redemptions? That's of course yet to be seen. Blackstone, if you look at their 10K, they are focused on next year and the slowing economy. They believe that the economy is going to slow down, and they are trying to get enough cash so they can take control of new opportunities. So I think that they will be in a really great position in 2023. Is Blackstone undervalued? For me, currently it has an ROI of 12%. Yes, I think it's undervalued. I think this is a very clickbaity title, and you need to do your due diligence and make sure you don't let those headlines fool you, especially if you're a long-term investor. Now, I got this news article from the free stock screener bar chart. I will leave a link in the comments. It tells you everything about the news that you need to know, and you can find out all of the information about Blackstone, ticker symbol BX. But what do you think about this? Do you think BX or Blackstone is a buy? Do you think it's going to go lower? In my previous videos, I mentioned that it would go below 70, and I still think it's headed there.